Are you trying to decide between Flutter and React Native? You're not alone. Many developers face this choice. In this video, we'll compare these two popular frameworks for building mobile apps. Both help you create apps for iOS and Android, but they do it in different ways. Flutter is developed by Google. It uses the Dart programming language. With Flutter, you can create beautiful, high performance apps. It offers a rich set of pre designed widgets. This makes it easy to build a great user interface. On the other hand, React Native is from Facebook. It uses JavaScript, which many developers already know. React Native allows you to create apps that feel more like native apps. It has a large community and many libraries available. This means you can find help and resources easily. Now, let's look at the key differences. Flutter is great for custom designs and animations. It gives you more control over the look and feel. React Native, however, is better for quick development and reusing code. It's often faster to get an app up and running with React Native. When it comes to features, Flutter has a hot reload feature. This lets you see changes instantly. React Native also has hot reloading but might not be as smooth. In terms of performance, Flutter often wins because it compiles to native code. React Native relies on a bridge which can slow things down. Pricing is also a factor. Both frameworks are free to use. However, consider the cost of hiring developers. If you already have JavaScript developers, React Native might be cheaper. If you want to invest in a new skill, Flutter could be the way to go. In the end, if you need beautiful designs and performance, choose Flutter. If you want speed and a familiar language, go for React Native. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more comparisons.